Big up Crosses TV.
No stop. Take off on the mask from the face. No Crosses. That's how the thing named Crosses Blood Clot TV.
Goodbody Simone, no. You know the thing going on. We represent for the one in England. You know the thing go.
Hey, got a long way. If you show me bad face behind my back, I see it. So I work with my spirit. But don't test blood clot. I have them in my phone, you know. I have name. I have conversation, you know. Actually, I want to dwell upon them blood clots up there. If I see them and take them, and not even remember them, fever search them. But I have receipt with your name and your numbers. I don't test blood clots. Me, I wallop my wall. Wallop. Remember last year, June? A girl, well, last year, August, I put up. When you talk about your consent, me, you humiliate me. The first thing they tell me, how my man not like them up because you give them all of those ammunition. I don't want a man, brethren. I want to stay single. I don't want a blood clot, man. Me alright. Nobody not sorry for blood clot me. Just let me stay by myself, brethren. You understand me? I have enough of this. I make life. I make everything possible for my loved ones. I care and I share, not when your blood clot step to me, I'm going to be awful. But other than that, why? Why so much girl at Tottenham? When I pass through Tottenham, there are so much things against me. I need to fuck some man, brethren. I need to take some of your friend them blood clot, man. No, I need to do back some. I'm not telling them more of this, brethren. I need to lie down this time because some Spanish just come. Lie down in my blood clot pussy. Last year, I got me to tell Dale, say, I go fuck one man and take a video and with the man and fuck me. Just to satisfy myself. I'm tired of this. Every man fucking up. Man have them wife and then go backward, go fuck and then go buy pussy. And them have respect, and I'm not respect doing. I'm tired of this, brother. I'm not doing a shame face doing. I have enough. I talk to you. Crazy, I tell you already, you can't do wrong and fly up on me, so. Make a warrior do it. You can't fly up on me, so, brother. You can't do wrongs. I know how much in woman day. I expect them to say, oh, you do it, say nothing happen. No, you're a lie, do it. You keep the blood clot ring and sell it when I ask you, sit down there. How long you take before? I don't care about the ring. I care about you as a person. You do me so much thing. Why? You got Manchester, you fuck blood clot girl. The girl can't come on my phone, come tell me, him not rate and him not want you, but him rate you for fuck out your blood clot pussy. You don't have nothing about you, no little dirty blood clot girl. And when do we fuck on him, not look pound. That's sweet, me. That's the only half clot thing we see about it. Because you don't get back no knowings. Yeah, man, I need to start fuck. Blood clot. I use no shame face and shit, no cockabit hand. I give you much in chance. They run you got Jamaica, Wallipa disgrace. Girl say you suck them pussy. You know one Wallipa mix it. And all of them shame them I put beside me. And stand up beside you. And you still give blood clot people in my ear and things over me. How you hand yourself? How was so when someone I give you? When someone can't do for you, well, all the rest of them can't do for you. All the one about book hotel 2 days for me, and I'm like, what the cheek? You used to buy clothes for me. Me, I used to slug in a burger shop. Me, I got much in that. And the whole only know my husband there, my son of blood clot, desperate, and I have money. I mean, I'm nothing. Why did I send for a man for yourself? Do it more. You love me, now you come talk about me for love you. You love me, you know, do it. You hear that? You can't go up and I do so much something and I tell me for love you, except me, I go shut up. Oh. To God be the glory. Wow. I wish you did that guy, let me tell you, you quit me start jump. That's the beauty with me. Me so support of this. Trust me. Dowey is a disgrace. He is a conniving shithouse. How much of your friend them turn against you, Jamaica, and disrespect you. And me, I tell you, brother, hold your corner. Relax, give yourself 3 months to it. Make me your bill. You know, me I have so much proposal here that sit down there, that cock up with blood clot girl. Me not pay no mind, me do what I have to do. But when me say everything, you come and you shit on my door, so you make you come and you disrespect me. You make him disrespect me. And me sit down here and you still, hey brother, don't just talk and hype on me, brother. Just do what you have to do. I need my freedom. January when you're running, I'm a go. I treat like I'm a check about divorce. And when I see the bird, I say, you know what, Queenie, humble your blood clot self. I don't want a marriage. But I'm a divorce and married, but I don't want a marriage, brethren. I don't want this. You don't want it, I don't want it either. I don't do this. You want name and shame, go and go blood clot, name and shame, because that will make you split quicker. And you can't threaten blood clot because you know me not take threat. But you got blood clot, name and shame. You can't name and shame because you not take no kangaroo out of my pussy. You hear that? I warn you. I don't like me no warn you. If you have fuck me, I talk to you. Before you fuck me, I talk to you. And when you're done fuck me, I reason with you. I said, do you do a lot of fuckery. Stand up as a man and allow them blood clot waste gal, them wally pa gal. If you don't get 50 gal, let me to leave up back. Every day you surround your day for message woman. You have to watch everybody. Every woman, him open them page, him go through them picture one, him press like, him send love out. Oh, you're so desperate. You know, have no self-esteem and no confidence, so you feel like that when you claim all. None of the women them don't want to do it. You're married to one terrible, dirty blood clot bitch. And you're not rich, do it. You don't have millions. Women love millions. Humble your blood clot self and work with your wife, do it. But tired of this. And then you want to come exile, but go and go put it on Instagram. I don't have to put it on Instagram. Simone my blood clot touch. Come here, Simone touch blood clot. You must have your on her page. Me reach your class, my blood clot husband. So why you did there, they entertain him in the first place. 2 rand can make blood clot, right, girl? I sorry, my teeth them never done. I just buy 1 ticket and go to Jamaica. Go fuck out my pussy. I swear. But God knows that on me. I just talk. My energy can't lie down and take no blood clot, man. No, sir. Because any day I take somebody else. Yeah. So I stay. I just love stick to one person. But me no want to do it. Do self-esteem too low, man. Do not have nothing about him, brother. The man not check for the man, vex the man dark and him feel like everything here, no? You might go up on Instagram, go done my career. You give me a career, do it. Let me tell you, say a bad man December when you never, January the 14th, Nisha birthday, you know. When you give me, when your friend a boss, so you beat me up. I'm going to go to Portland and you run left me. I said, do you want like a bad-minded blood clot, boy? I am vexed, but you are a bad man. You don't like the power I have. So you undermine me because you feel say I'm too powerful. But I work for it, Dwayne. Dwayne, you come see me as a power ass clot woman, Dwayne. So the little growth I get with you in my life for 2 years, it's a bonus. I've been working very hard. Go and justify yourself to girl pitney have me a string and I done your dirty blood clot. Show you what kind of man you is. You gotta call Simone. No, listen to Simone live. Me say she up live I play in voice note. No, hear it. Jesus Christ. Them have a sense if you didn't know. If you didn't know we kill you know. That word there. Let me big up yourself. Me nice proper baby. Listen when let me come and say to me say, put the man on the fridge and say, Jay, you know say the fridge is shape. And the man get a piece of cardboard and fold it and put it under the fridge and I say, boy, the day for the really fucking
What's the matter about blood clot, man? No. Nothing. No, man, what they want to look at pussy. Who's right?
Blood clot fast. I don't know much for beer and sleep under the mat. When me and him drive back 4 hours to London, you know, my question about my name, I lied, I not believe him, I not trust him, because I lose every confidence of my husband. But it's true, I'm strong, I not give up. I mean, I hold on, because me, blood clot give up until I get closure, I heal myself and fight back the blood clot battle. When we reach London, and they reach the house, do we say blood clot, I left my tablet. I say, call the girl. Him say, I'm not call the girl. Him left it on the dresser, then blah, 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 blah. Me and do it tribe. I know my people, them don't know what it's in a come. My own blood clot, big man, you know. Me and do it, the man mascot blood clot, yeah, me that I eat. Drive back from London, 4 hours, go back at the girl, blood clot yard. I'm a pack up them, take a picture of yard with her name and her street road. When me come back, when him go, the girl no tablet not in her yard, not in the yard. The girl says she not see the tablet. And it not there. Her brother did and her father, whatever coming up in them house. I was in the car as a fool. When we come back to London, I see him laugh. So I put it on the black fridge in the kitchen and treat it working with the fridge in the member. You see, where the man put the blood clot, you me true? All right. Where are the girl that she said she don't want to give me no pussy because you call her every minute. I said, but she invite you in your house. You hear me now, no? You hear me now, the girl vex when she hears so she'll come for me. You hear me now, true, she not get the fuck. Fool, you know? You hear me, yeah, man, she never accept me that drive come so far for you, so she think you go sweep over and get settled. But the girl messaged me when I go to Manchester. Last year, I reached Nikki something. When I look on the girl name, I go in on my DM, and she said she messaged me and send me love. Why not think me so gutted? The whole of the woman was say I thought they love me. Unuh just want to smell like my husband so I catch it. Anyway, I message the girl and tell her, call me. When the girl called me, the girl said, your husband know what I do. Him did why you for come for him. That time do we fuck the blood clot girl, you know. When I said to the girl, said, do we tell me say yeah, why not for him? You hear me now? Me tell him me not ball out in the back. Me tell him me not do nothing. Yeah, that's it. And I say my ball out in the background. Oh me hear the girl when I ask the girl if she and do it fuck. Where him tell me say. From she can't tell me no, that mean you fuck him in it. But me still a fool. So me no know, but me an idiot. So me say, alright, that is it. How it reached out. Couple of days after I act up, I go aunt him with that blood clot. And I go act, no, lie, I tell Queenie, lie. They're Jamaica. They're a Bushamark. From there England, I study in pin. And I Lego with him blood clot phone. I say, who said them a breed, who said them miss period, who said them husband this. And I said them life and my husband I live. And when him wake up the night and Simone, I said, someone is in trouble. So calm and nice because of my clothes me look. Yeah? And him take him phone from me and him change him pin. But I'm going at the girl at Manchester message. The same girl with me up on my DM. A DM and him and Arena in the so the DM going under the same name. What she said? As long as she lives. As long as she live him not to talk to her and him burning bridges. And she think him was a good soul. And she sorry she fuck him. You see me, when I see it, I just voice out her and say, wow. So you fuck my husband. And my husband tell me, the girl said she not give me no pussy. I'm about to force her coming on and charge her rape. On top of you diss me from Jamaica. You come from plane. You suck me out like silver ticks go. You suck me out like vampire. You anger me. You chat to me like blood clot.